Words are extremely powerful. That's why choosing what you say could mean the difference between getting what you want or failing miserably in your pursuits. Using an effective technique called reframing, you can change the way something is perceived, thereby influencing the results. 1. What to say to turn a complaint into a benefit. You can overcome a complaint once you have readily thought of the benefit to replace it. If the person says, "I don't want to exercise, it's simply too hot to do anything," tell the person that you agree it's a little hot out there, but that just means you can sweat more, which is ultimately what you want to happen when you exercise. 2. What to say to turn your weaknesses into strengths. When asked for your weaknesses during a job interview, your answer shouldn't be about the actual flaws or inabilities. Rather, you should emphasize what you're currently doing to overcome them. Instead of saying, "I'm very shy and soft-spoken," you can say, "I'm currently working on my communication skills." 3. What to say to make people perform better in their jobs. If you want people to give their very best in any task, make them believe that they're doing something far greater than the actual task at hand. For example, don't tell teachers that they are teaching young kids because it's their job. Instead, tell them that they are training and mentoring the future leaders of the world. Will that make them feel that their work is very valuable? You bet. Your repairman isn't just repairing, he's saving lives from any possible electrical threats. Make him aware of that. Your chef isn't just cooking, he's eliminating hunger and satisfying taste buds. Wouldn't that make him feel important? Absolutely. Treat your garbage collector as a sanitation engineer and you'll get better service from him. 4. What to say to develop a magnetic personality. If you want to develop your charisma, you should also be prepared to give witty comebacks. People are used to niceties all the time. When somebody asks how you are, the automatic answer always seems to be fine, thank you. However, if you really want people to remember you, I'm sure you can come up with a better answer than one that has been used 1,000 times before. How about fantabulous, or spectacular, or I'm out of my mind, but that's a good thing. Something to start the conversation on a distinct note. 5. What to say and do to get agreement. When asking someone whether they like your idea or not, just ask, "Good, isn't it?" and then subtly nod your head at them. Just don't be too obvious. This prompts them to say yes whether they have made up their minds or not. At first, nodding might feel a little weird, but other people won't notice it at all unless you point it out to them. Use this nodding technique and you'll find yourself getting a lot of positive reactions with little effort. Want to discover more powerful secrets to persuade anyone to do anything you want them to do? Then watch this video where I reveal one psychological trick to instantly change anyone's belief or perception of you. And it involves only 4 easy steps. I used myself as a guinea pig and it worked perfectly in persuading my dad to fund my online ventures. Seriously, watch this video now and be amazed with the results.